Dear viewers, Drishti IS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. In this series, the topic of discussion is Tokyo Olympics 2020. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, Tokyo Olympics 32nd 2020 conducted. It started on July 23, 2021. Ranking of countries in terms of medal at Tokyo Olympics is as follows. First, America with 113 medals. Second, China with 88 medals. And third, Japan with 58 medals. India's rank is 48th with 7 medals, which is India's best performance so far in the Olympics. The next Olympics will be held in Paris, France in 2024. Now let's understand what was special about the Tokyo Olympics. India has won a record 7 medals in this Olympics. Neeraj Chopra with gold medal, Mirabai Chanu silver medal, Ravi Kumar Dahiya with silver medal, PV Sindhu bronze medal, Lovlina Borgohain bronze medal, Bajrang Punia bronze medal, and men's hockey team bronze medal. 21-year-old Chinese shooter Qian Yang won the first gold medal of the Tokyo Olympics. India got the first medal in this Olympics in the form of silver medal by Mirabai Chanu. She won this medal in the weightlifting event in the 49 kg category. Neeraj Chopra won first gold medal for India in this Olympics. Neeraj Chopra became the second Indian player to win gold in the individual category. PV Sindhu became the first Indian woman to win 2 individual Olympic medals after winning bronze. Earlier, she had won a silver medal in the Rio Olympics. Men's hockey team won bronze medal after 41 years under the leadership of Manpreet Singh. Earlier, India won the last gold medal in 1980 Moscow Olympics. Indian women's hockey team created history by reaching its maiden semi-final at the Olympic Games. However, they lost to Argentina in the semi-finals. In the fencing event, Bhavani Devi became the first Indian to qualify for the Olympic Games, though she failed to win a medal. Nethra Kumanan became the first woman sailor from India to qualify for the Olympic Games. Indian men's 4x400 meter relay team set a new Asia record and finished 4th. Japan's Abe Hifumi 66 kg judo and Abe Uta 52 kg judo both created history by becoming the first sibling pair to win an Olympic gold medal in individual sports on the same day. Syrian table tennis player Hein Jaza, 12 years, was the youngest player to be included in this Olympics. The oldest player was an Australian equestrian Mary Hanna, 66 years old. Now moving on to the history of Olympics. These games are believed to have started in 776 BC, originated from Athens. The world's first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece in 1896. At the Athens Olympic Games, 241 people from only 14 countries competed in 43 events. A total of 22 women participated in the Paris Olympics in 1900 for the first time. Now moving on to history of India. Norman Pritchard participated in the Olympics in 1900 as the first Indian representative. He won 2 silver medals in athletics. India took part in the Olympic Games for the first time officially in 1920. Along with participating in the Tokyo Olympics, India also completed 100 years in this sporting event. India has so far won a total of 35 medals in the history of the Olympics, in which the Indian hockey team won 3 gold medals consecutively in the years 1928, 1932 and 1936. Now it's time to note a question for revision. What is the rank of India in the Tokyo Olympic medal table? Options are 1. 46th, 247th, 348th or 449th? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. We will cover another topic in the next episode. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated.